I'm Stacy Rizzo. I'm the Director of Administration for Live Eyewear. We do the best over-X sunglasses that are out there, and there aren't very many competitors. We are by far the best in what we do. I use Syspro on a daily basis, looking at sales orders, looking at purchase orders, looking at our sales history.
It helps us know what's selling, what's not selling. It gives us the data that we need to better our business. If we know how many of one product is selling, we can analyze better data. I really like the drill down in the reports, really helpful. So if someone submits one of those reports to me and I have a question on it, I don't always have to go to them. I can just drill down on all of our company information is in Syspro. So every decision that we make is based off of financials, sales orders, purchases, anything like that.
Two of us can be using the same module, but they look totally different because we can customize it. It's very easy to drag the lines up or down, so you can just tab through and get to your next entry, whether it's data entry or a query screen. I just love that you can customize those.
Syspro has so many capabilities, and I would recommend that it is a great program. You can set up everything to tailor to your company, and it does so many things. I've already learned how it can help us right now.